Good evening, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to Market Pulse, where we discuss what happened last week in the market and the investment space, and also what could be expected in the upcoming weeks. So, before we start, let me quickly tell you, we had some power issue in our office, and the AC in our studio room actually blew off, and till that gets sorted, I'll have to. This will be a new venue, temporary setup, and hence the video clarity might be bad. Sound I do understand also might be bad, so kindly adjust at this point of time until things get sorted there. So, well, that's something not of out of control. Let's come back to what we have to discuss. That's more important. So, talking about the markets, the first important thing, of course, was the market, which was kind of in a negative mode, finally took a positive turn. And on the expiry day, which was a monthly expiry, we could see the markets actually rallying up. So, but then one very important thing at this point of time is that the markets have actually, overall, if you see, has not been moving up or down as we discussed in the couple of weeks, in last couple of weeks. So markets have been doing just as expected at this point of time. But one very important thing to be looked at is that the fear gauge in the market, which is the India VIX, has actually come to almost 10, which is not good at all in I would say the form for trader, because a trader like me, because we are an option seller, the premiums are really low. So I am kind of going to stay away from the market probably this week after the kind of events that's also coming up this week. So we have a small trade, which is a very small amount, which can be managed. But apart from that, I may not be going aggressive trading this week. Of course, the upcoming week is a shorter one because on the 1st of May, we have a holiday. So with all that, the market is going to have a shorter week next week. We also have some major events globally, like the Federal Reserve monetary policy meeting is happening on Wednesday, and there would be something that would be told by Jerome Powell there. So that would be something to be watched. Apart from that, on Friday we've got Tata Motors among the important results that's coming up, and before that, as on Monday towards tomorrow, we might see the effect of the results coming in from ICICI Bank, which is as of now looking good, so not bad. So, however, the way the markets have been behaving of late, it's been really volatile. But one very important concern that we should see actually is the DII continuing to purchase, but FII is continuing to sell. So, in fact, they've been on a big random selling mode, and that has still not been contained in the market. So, and the second thing, very importantly, since the VIX is so low, that means the market can also have a big movement at any point of time. So that is, that is of course sure, but we never know is it going to be on the positive side or the lower side. So at this point of time, I am personally what I'm doing is I'm going to stop my investments in SIP mode also for a few days, and those who are doing monthly, SIP mode, it's fine, but our big lump sum investment at this point of time, I'm kind of holding back for now, and I will be holding until the election results are coming out. So the second phase of elections have also happened in India, and the results will be coming out on 4th of June. So until then, the markets can see volatility and may not move any direction in a bigger manner. So at this point of time, I would kind of, it depends on you. Like if you have some capital, I would suggest probably you could go for 50% now and 50%. 50% a phase manner before election results, and the rest we never know after election results what's going to happen. So anything can happen. So that can be probably deployed after the election results. So that could be the best strategy. Is what I'm feeling at this point of time, and that's what I'm doing, and that's exactly what we're doing for our MP family members as well. So this environment is not a good at all good sign. That is, VIX at 10 can be dangerous because that could actually make a big move in the market soon. So that's something which is not good until things are in control. So I would say this that if you are a beginner or just new to trading, would I suggest you to just stay away from the market. Markets may not be easy to handle at this point of time. So that's a caution, yes, I'm giving. So again, should you book profits? I would say unless your fund is 100% deployed into equity, I would not suggest booking profit. If your fund is completely invested in equity, probably a partial profit booking can be done, and that could be invested in some good fixed return investments, and that could be probably used to invest into the equity market like in SIP mode after the election results. That's something I would suggest at this point of time. So next 1 month could be a slightly low activity time for us. Let's see how things go. So based on all these details, so like I said, the very importantly, the result of Tata Motors, because of course auto industry has been posting real good results. Maruti has posted good results. So overall motor industry is doing good. So Tata Motors also is expected to do good. But the way the Tata Motors have rallied so much, there might be some profit booking that kicks in before the results. So do watch out for that as well. But however, markets are markets. Like I always say, can never be predicted, but just be anticipated. So that's it for now. Let us see how the market moves. So like I said, this is not a time to be going very aggressive, but this is a time to be cautious, and let's see how the markets behave, and based on that continue to invest. Well, I am happy with the way the returns have actually come out in our investments, but it's also wise at times to kind of stay away when we should know when to stay away, when to be active in the market. That helps us grow our financials together. So well, that's where MPI Invest comes into play. We help you manage your funds across different asset classes, and also help you switch on the right time. That helps you build great returns on your investments. So for more details, you can schedule a one-to-one meeting with me at www.mpiinvest.com. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. We will catch up with more details as the days go by, and of course, wishing you all a great week ahead. See you.